Welcome to Harmony Express Skoolie episode 15. Episode 15, we're getting further progress inside the bus. Come take a look. When last you saw our intrepid bathroom shower, we had just PEX running kind of in weird spots. Well, now we have our shower valve installed, all PEXed in, our outlet, our drop your elbows in up here. That's gonna, this elbow here, this is gonna go because we're gonna end up using a handheld shower up in there. But that's all taken care of and in. All of our water is plumbed in and closed up. And for the first time ever, I put water into the bus. We actually hooked up water onto our, into our shore water line, and away we went. Guess what? We have water. We hooked our water up and I don't see any leaks. And I come over to our shower and I go,
watch this. Look at that. Woohoo!
I haven't run the pump yet. I haven't gotten to that place. But I have valves on up underneath here for our kitchen sink. I have stoppers on here where the hot water heater is going to go. So that part was good. We're all set on that side. So we used paper dolls again. Looky there. We did that nice corner there with a paper doll. And then we covered in this wall over here. Cut out our wall socket. We cut out for our gravity fill inlet. Put that on there. This bottom piece I'm toying with. Okay, do I want to put a wallboard on? I probably do. I've got a smaller piece. This is all going to be covered by the bed. You won't be able to see it, but it's Mike. I'll know that it's there. But anyway, looky there. We are covered from our bathroom wall all the way back to the trapezoid back in the back. Next goal is going to be to cover this stuff in so we can then build the bed and keep working our way forward. Here we go. Then we come back to the back of the bus. Looky here. Looky there. We've got a bed enclosure and a bed. So this is pocket screwed, and together there's a wall that comes along here, and then a rail that's screwed into the ribs of the bus along there, and then screwed tech screws back along here, holding that into the back wall. And then this is coming up here. This part along here is really wide. We're going to put a kind of a storage bin underneath here that'll hold up. We're going to use a full-size mattress, not a queen-size mattress. You've seen this part, these slats and everything kicking around inside the house, but they fit on here perfectly. We'll end up putting gas struts on here, and this will lift up. It's really heavy as it is now. So anyway, so that's that part of it. It needs to be hinged in the back. Hey guys, guess what? Look. I'm a model. You know what I mean. All right, so you saw it going up. I guess I should give a little bit further detail about how we built it. So let's take a look. So if you look in here, just a regular like half stud wall in there. So we kind of just built that 16 inches on center-ish. So that was in there. We used pocket holes to do that rather than toenailing. I thought that would be an easier way to go. And then along both walls, you can't see this one, but on this wall, this stud that goes across is screwed directly into the load-bearing 2x2s across there and also at the end. And then it's pocket hold screwed, Craig jig screwed into this this wall here. Same thing on this side. For someone who has a Thomas bus, the angle of the dangle of the if you go level across the back to the kind of seat back there, what we call the engine hump, the very last seat, that is 11 or 12 degrees. So from a square, straight up and down, if you cant it at 12 degrees, you'll get that angle. Just a little piece of information for everybody. Anyway, so that's all taken care of. So we were going to build a storage compartment in here at the headboard, but we elected not to, only because we didn't think it was absolutely necessary. With all this space under here, and then we're going to put under bed boxes up in there, lots and lots of space here, so that we don't really absolutely need that. So anyway, we ended up using a finished birch plywood, 3/4 inch plywood there, and got that on there. So that's all finished off. So that is what the bed looks like. So we've gotten the back end of the bed done. And true to form, we are kind of now working from the back to the front. So we're kind of torn. We've got some pieces and parts to get to put our composting toilet together. So that's not quite done yet. I think we're going to move on to the bunks, because we're going to have 2 bunks here. And in the bottom bunk down here, we will have underneath the bottom bunk will be where our power cabinet is. That's where all the power will originate. So thanks again for following along. If you liked the video, give us a like, a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, tell us why. Let us know why you didn't like it. Make a comment down there. We're going to continue on working. It used to be just kind of a weekend project, but now, since we can't go anywhere, it's becoming a kind of an ongoing project. So anyway, we really appreciate you guys following along. That was a really fun project, and it really turned out well. And we can't wait to show you what happens next. So we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.